Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about one of the most important topics under the DevOps, which are monitoring tools and observability tools for the DevOps. So observability is very important topic in the DevOps, as like in the infrastructure many things go wrong at some point of time, and as a DevOps engineer you will have to debug where the things went wrong, and then provide insights to the development team and also a testing team. So today, Dynatrace is one of the top players. Maybe I would say one of the top five observability tool, which we can discuss today. So first, in this is an introduction video to the Dynatrace. We will see different features of the Dynatrace, and then we can further discuss about the inside features of the Dynatrace in the upcoming videos. So yeah, so Dynatrace, if we see here, we have different features and then solutions which Dynatrace offers for us. We have like these are the main important. We can create dashboards, notebooks, and then alerting and then workflows. Here we have different solutions which Dynatrace provides: infrastructure observability, and then application observability, AI observability, digital experience, log analytics, application security, threat observability, software delivery, and then business observability. We also have core technologies with the Dynatrace like Davis AI, very important, and then automation engine, app engine, Grail. Grail is very important, the new technology which Dynatrace has come up with. And we have Smartscape, and then open pipeline, one agent, and then PurePath. Also, we have different Dynatrace hub, which we can, extendable solutions to different tools, different other tools which Dynatrace can communicate via Dynatrace hub, and then cloud platform, open ecosystem, building our own app, Dynatrace app, and then custom solutions. So now coming to the different solutions, right? As we said, under use cases, we have AI ops, AI observability, application security, which DevOps, cloud migration, cloud monitoring, cloud operations, compliance automation, DevOps, DevSecOps, and then digital experience monitoring, which is a DEM we call, distributed tracing, which is like an API which will talk to different multiple internal tools which are not connected in the same infrastructure, maybe in a different infrastructure. So we can trace using this distributed tracing feature. And then we have full stack observability, Kubernetes security, log management, and analytics. So like we have so many like on the technology we have Azure monitoring, AWS monitoring, Google Cloud, Kubernetes monitoring, Red Hat monitoring, SAP monitoring, ServiceNow monitoring, VMware, Tanju monitoring, and then Open Telemetry. Under the industry, we have financial services and retail and e-commerce, public sector, software and digital education. So under resources like we have support center. If we are part of the, if we have this Dynatrace, then we might be have access to the support center where we create a support ticket, and the team from the Dynatrace will revert to us. Trust center, we can request demo and then upgrade from. See, we Dynatrace provides both managed and SaaS system, so we can migrate to or upgrade to SaaS from the migrate managed as well. And then we have blogs from the Dynatrace where we can read webinars and customer stories, product reviews, podcasts, and release notes. We also have training and some certifications from Dynatrace University. There is a new website for that, and then support center, business insights, team. We have dedicated team here, success and support team. We have ACE services we have, and then Dynatrace developers also we have partners. So documentation and community also we have, and then Dynatrace hub also we have. So yeah, this is related to a company, and then we have pricing here. Yeah, so we have three different pricing actually, which is pay only for what you use, and then access any capability available to your deployment model, cloud environment, no restrictions on extra fees. Track and control your usage, budgets, and then cost. So this is one type of billing we can say, or pricing we can say. And then commit and save. So volume discounting that scales with annual commitment, no penalties for exceeding commit, and unlimited seats, full visibility, smarter decision. So this is like commit and save. So I will commit for something, okay, I need this much of capacity and volume, so they will allocate those, and that is one type of pricing or billing method. And then we have a flexible and transparent, so no billing surprises actually on this. We can scale up or scale down any time. In I mean in more features, more visibility with the pricing, so which we will discuss in the upcoming videos as well. Yeah. So today we will conclude our discussion with signing up to the playground, and also starting the free trial for 15 days. So yeah, I have already registered here. Here it says business email, but you can sign up with the Google email as well, and then enter the password. As I said, I already signed in, so I will sign in here. I'll enter my password here. Yeah, so obviously here you see some UI here. So as this is the playground version of it, we will not be having access to all different features. So here we have quick search. We can manage this categories here. What can be searched, we can add and delete as well. And then we have Devis Copilot and different apps. So these are the different apps. Observe and explore. Here we have different apps inside the Dynatrace to for the observability and exploration. And then we have infrastructure availability. Under this we have these options. We have more also, but here is a quick thing. Software delivery, we have workflows, service level objectives, and all these things. And then we have application observability also we have here, and application security we have, digital experience we have, and then yeah. So these are some of the features. If we And this is a live chat. We have this live chat option also. Yeah, I think we need to sign up for this actually. So now I will click on the upgrade to free trial, so that we can explore all the features. I'll provide my name, and then job title DevOps Engineer, company, I'll put some random company, and yeah, so I'll select one, and then yeah, we will see, like we want all the to see all the numbers, right? So yeah, this is optional. So after the free trial is started, we will receive one email communication. So we just need to wait for that communication. It will come maybe within 2 to 3 minutes after we sign up, and then we need to sign in again. Okay, I will try to give correct password. Yeah, so now free trial is started for us for next 15 days. Let's see. So once we sign up and provide all our details and click on sign up, so it will take 2 to 3 minutes to set up our environment, and then we will receive an email communication that our environment setup is done. So after that, we need to go to the sign in page, and then we need to log in. So once we log in, here we can see like 14 days left in our trial, and we have so many different I mean, like we will have all the features enabled for us. Yeah, so that's it for today. We will create one more video on accessing next set of features after the analyze. Thanks everyone for watching. Please subscribe to get more details about this Dynatrace as well as DevOps.